My name is Sara Galliway and I'm from the United States. I live in Prosser. It's a little town in Washington State. It's really quiet. I left the military because I felt like I needed a change in my career. I almost just felt like I was stuck. I found out about yoga when I went on a few yoga dates with one of my friends, and it really started to change my life. I felt like when I went to yoga, I had an escape from my mind. I attended the 200-hour teacher training in Barcelona. I also attended the yoga teachers training for the trapeze. It wasn't really difficult to implement what I learned from the course just because YOGABODY makes it so accessible, and you have the public classes that you teach, which gives you that confidence that when you go back home you can really just start teaching. My yoga studio is in a storefront, which is really kind of cool. I wanted to create an environment that was fun, calming, so you kind of just feel like you're at home when you come in. I teach 3 different classes at my studio. I teach vinyasa, trapeze, and restorative. My yoga trapeze is an inversion tool. It helps you build your upper body strength. It allows you to get more flexibility, kind of just a more fun way to do yoga, and it allows you to have different avenues that mat yoga really doesn't provide. I feel really good about my accomplishments. I have my military career, and I have the yoga certifications. It just felt like, wow, I can do anything if I can do all these things. But recently, I really feel more accomplished when I have students tell me that they love coming to my classes, they don't have as much back pain, they feel good about their body. That's what makes me feel really good.